Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to connect your JBL Clip 5 speaker to your MacBook. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who got their JBL Clip 5 speaker, but you want to go ahead and connect it to your MacBook. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, you first want to go ahead and turn on your speaker. And then once your speaker is turned on, what we're going to go ahead and do is that if we turn it on, you're going to see here that the light is on, and then you're going to press and hold the Bluetooth icon, which is this middle button here. So press and hold the Bluetooth icon until the light here starts to blink white. So as you can see, it's now blinking white. So now the JBL Clip 5 is currently in Bluetooth pairing mode. So the next thing that you're going to do is that on your laptop, you want to go ahead and where it says Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, and then you're going to wait until where it says nearby devices and find your JBL Clip 5 and click on connect. So after you click on connect, you're going to see that the light on your speaker is now a solid white. And on your MacBook, it also says JBL Clip 5 connected. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your JBL Clip 5 to your MacBook. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.